Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be unboxing and setting up the Kadence heavy duty 61 key keyboard stand. So once you unbox, you'll get the main frame. It has a spring loaded multi-height adjustment system. You will get these 4 bars which you have to attach yourself. 2 bars are long and 2 bars are short. The longer bars will be your base and you have to attach them on one side. So start by fixing each long bar. You have to insert the screw so that it goes through the long bar into the frame. Use the Allen wrench provided to tighten the screw. Make sure to tighten it properly or else it can lead to setup failure. So we do the same thing on the other side. We tighten up the screws properly. We give it a final tightening drive so that nothing is loose. I double check the other side also to make sure that no screws are loose. So now the base of the stand is ready. You can see that it's quite stable. Now if you see, there are 2 sizes, a long one and a short one. So since this is the keyboard end, you have to make sure that you attach the one with the broader screw gap on the broader side of the stand, and with the narrow side you have to attach the one with the narrow screw slots. So do the same thing. Insert the screw so that it goes through the bars and into the main frame. So that was the unboxing and setting up of the keyboard stand. I'm building my home studio from scratch. Stay tuned for more.